You might feel a heaviness in your home without understanding why. It creeps quietly, slowly changing the energy around you. Children who once laughed freely start to feel restless. Adults suddenly face problems that seem impossible to explain. Something unseen can disturb your peace, your love, your sanctuary. Today you will discover the subtle signs that the evil eye has entered your home, and how to protect your family with faith, love, and awareness. The first sign is a sudden shift in harmony. Conversations that once felt warm now spark tension. Arguments flare over the smallest things. You might wonder if stress is the cause, but this disruption can signal envy or negative attention surrounding your family. Notice the small, unexplained conflicts. Your home is a reflection of energy. When it feels uneasy, it is your spirit warning you to act. The second sign is constant fatigue, even after rest. Family members may wake tired, struggle to focus, or feel drained despite sleeping well. This is more than just physical exhaustion. It is a sign that invisible stress, born from jealousy or harmful attention, has affected your space. Take it as a reminder to cleanse your home spiritually, to return peace and protection through prayer, patience, and daily gratitude. The third sign is unexplained misfortune. Small accidents, broken items, or minor illnesses appear more frequently than usual. Life feels heavier than it should. You begin to question if you are doing something wrong. Often, these occurrences signal the presence of negative energy targeting your household. Addressing it calmly and spiritually can break this cycle and restore safety. The fourth sign is emotional imbalance. Loved ones may suddenly feel anxious, sad, or frustrated without a clear reason. Your home should be a sanctuary of love and warmth, yet the atmosphere feels thick, tense, or invisible pressure surrounds everyone. Recognize this as a call to reconnect spiritually, to invoke protection, and to nurture patience, empathy, and hope within your family. The fifth sign is unusual financial strain. Bills rise unexpectedly, important things get delayed, or money feels trapped. While life naturally brings challenges, persistent financial strain with no apparent reason can indicate external negativity impacting your household. Focus on prayers for sustenance, gratitude for what you have, and actions that invite blessings into your home. The sixth sign is interrupted sleep. Dreams may become troubling, rest feels incomplete, or constant unease lingers at night. Sleep is a sacred gift, a time for healing and restoration. When it is disturbed consistently, it signals that your spiritual energy is being affected. Create a routine of spiritual protection before bedtime, and notice how your nights slowly regain calm. The seventh sign is a loss of joy. The laughter that once filled the rooms fades. Family gatherings feel muted. Even hobbies or small pleasures feel heavy. Joy is a sign of divine balance. When it fades, it is a sign to protect, restore, and invite positivity into your space. Prayer, sincere intention, and spiritual mindfulness can transform your home back into a haven of love and safety. Remember, awareness is your first shield. Recognizing these signs does not mean fear, it means opportunity. Opportunity to protect your loved ones, to strengthen your faith, and to reclaim peace in your home. Small acts of prayer, sincere intentions, and mindful actions create an invisible barrier stronger than any negativity. Your family's safety is in your hands, and in your trust in Allah. Your home can shine with love again. Every room can feel light, every heart can feel calm, and every moment can regain its joy. Start today, act with faith, and protect what matters most. If you found this guide meaningful, share it with someone who needs hope, like this video to support more families, and subscribe for more content that nurtures your heart and your home.